When it comes to upgrading or installing a new door in your Taylor MI home, choosing the right material can make all the difference in terms of aesthetics, durability, and energy efficiency. Michigan's varied climate, with its cold winters, humid summers, and occasional heavy storms, means your choice of door material must balance strength, insulation, and style. Here's a breakdown of the best materials to consider for your next door installation. Fiberglass doors. Low maintenance and high efficiency fiberglass doors have become increasingly popular among homeowners in Taylor for their versatility and durability. They mimic the look of wood but require far less upkeep. Weather resistance. Fiberglass holds up exceptionally well in Michigan's fluctuating weather. It won't warp, rot, or swell in humidity. Energy savings. Many fiberglass doors come insulated with a polyurethane core, which helps maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Style options. Available in smooth finishes or wood grain textures that can be painted or stained to match your home. Best for homeowners seeking a balance between performance, appearance, and low maintenance. Steel doors. Maximum security and durability. If security is a top priority, a steel door could be your best investment. These doors are among the most secure and budget-friendly options. Strength. Steel provides excellent resistance against forced entry. Insulation. Modern steel doors often include foam insulation, helping with energy efficiency during Michigan winters. Weather resistance. While steel can dent, quality finishes and coatings prevent rust and prolong the life of the door. Best for those wanting a sturdy, cost-effective, and secure entry solution. Solid wood doors. Timeless beauty. Wood has a classic, warm appeal that many Taylor homeowners love. From oak and mahogany to cherry and walnut, each wood species offers unique beauty. Customizable. Wood can be carved, stained, and painted to suit your home's style. Natural insulation. Wood naturally insulates well, keeping your home comfortable. Maintenance needs. Wood requires regular sealing or painting to protect against moisture damage in Michigan's wet and snowy seasons. Best for homeowners looking for an elegant, traditional appearance and who don't mind periodic maintenance. Aluminum-clad doors. Weatherproof performance. Aluminum-clad doors combine a wood core with an exterior aluminum shell, offering the best of both worlds. Durability. The aluminum exterior protects the door from harsh weather, while the wood core adds strength and insulation. Low maintenance. No need for frequent repainting or refinishing. Design variety. Available in many colors and finishes to match your home's exterior. Best for those who want a wood look with enhanced weather resistance. Glass patio doors. Light and style. For back entries, sliding or hinged glass patio doors are an attractive choice that maximizes natural light. Energy efficiency. Double or triple pane glass with low E coatings keeps homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Aesthetic appeal. Expansive glass enhances views and brings in daylight. Security. Reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass add safety. Best for homeowners prioritizing light, openness, and a modern look. Making the right choice when selecting a door material for your tailor-made home. Consider climate. Choose materials that resist warping, rust, and energy loss in Michigan's seasons. Maintenance commitment. Decide how much upkeep you're willing to handle. Budget. Balance cost with longevity and performance. Style preferences. Ensure your door complements your home's architecture. Final tip. Always work with a trusted local door installation professional who understands Michigan's climate challenges. A quality installation ensures your chosen door material performs to its fullest potential, keeping your home secure, energy efficient, and beautiful for years to come.